Goldman Sachs studied what really happens when the Fed hikes rates, and the answer is more hopeful than you'd expect. Yes, rate hikes can sting at first, since markets often dip and borrowing costs rise in the short term. But here's what most people miss. In the 12 months after past hikes, stocks have historically gained an average of 9%, and the economy kept growing right along with them. For home buyers, the lesson is simple. Waiting for the perfect moment rarely pays off, since people who bought homes during past hiking periods still built equity over time. And Goldman only gives a hike a 20% chance of even happening before 2027, so the worst case may not even come true. History shows uncertainty doesn't mean you should wait. Check today's rate sheet and DM me with any questions.